Hey, it's Jamila from Buy Pink. It's been a minute, but I'm back with another tutorial. Today, I am going to show you how to press this fun little barbecue apron. The apron comes from Jiffy Shirts. I use the combination of Caesar, I think is how you pronounce it, Easy Weed, and the Cricut vinyl. But before I get started, I want to remind you guys to subscribe and like this video, and then to hit the little bell notification so that you know when I release a new tutorial. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Of course, the first thing we do is gather our supplies. Right here you see me showing you the brayer tool and the weeding tool that I'm using. And then I'm going to use my Easy Press to press on the design. And there's the apron. With Caesar Easy Weed, it comes about 11.5 inches. So here you see me centering it. And this way I don't cut off any of my design. I use the brayer to make sure that it adheres, because we all know that sometimes our mats lose grip. The Cricut vinyl, which I didn't know at the time, was a cool peel. So I'll show you how I kind of sped that up. But it comes in at 12 inches. I forgot to show you guys me trimming my vinyl. I use my self-healing mat and the precision cutting tool. And then I go ahead and weed away the voided areas of my design. I like to use my fingers more than anything because it's just a lot easier, I feel. And then I go back in with my tool to get the smaller areas out. Just continue to weed until you have exposed your entire design. I may have said this before, but I'll make sure to link where you can get this file, and also a video where you can learn how I warped the text and made my sad little fish. I'm trying to get into drawing digitally on my own to make SVGs using Adobe Illustrator. But that's why my fish is so sad, because I can't draw to save my life. So once you're done weeding, go ahead and grab your Easy Press mat and grab your apron. You're going to press these on one color at a time. Go ahead and iron out any lines. Sometimes people like to fold their garment down the middle to create a center line, but I don't normally do that. And I also usually eyeball center, but you can excuse me, take your design and fold it end to end to find the center. The fact that you're folding the vinyl doesn't matter. It'll press out with the heat press. You don't need to press the first design or first layer the full amount of time. You just need it on there long enough to stick, because you're going to go back over it when you press the second color. So here I am applying my second color. After pressing this, I realized that this is a cold peel vinyl. When I went to peel off the transfer tape, and you want to cover with Teflon to make sure that you don't burn the first layer or make the first layer come up. But when I went to peel, you'll see here in a couple seconds, when I went to peel off the transfer sheet, my vinyl came with it. We don't want that. So I'm going to show you the way I got it to cool a little bit faster. All you need to, you see here it came up. So all you need to cool off your vinyl is something with some kind of ceramic. I use a ceramic coaster, or this time I used my Easy Press Mini, and the plate draws out the heat so that I can go ahead and peel off the vinyl. And there's the finished look.